Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. If one of your sheet tabs has disappeared, don't worry. It's probably just hidden. Let me show you the quickest way to bring it back. The easiest way. Go to the top menu and click View, Hidden Sheets. If there are any hidden sheets, you'll see them listed there. Just click the sheet name, and it instantly reappears at the bottom. That's it. Important. If you click View, Hidden Sheets, and nothing shows up, that means there are no hidden sheets in the file. How sheets get hidden, so you know. Right-click a sheet tab. Click Hide Sheet. The tab disappears, but it's not deleted. Hidden sheets still exist, keep all data, can be restored anytime. Deleted sheets are completely different. Here is a quick pro tip. If you don't see the Hidden Sheets option, or it's grayed out, you may only have viewer access. Ask the file owner for editor permissions. And that's how to unhide sheets in Google Sheets, the easiest way. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more sheet tips from Sheet Leveler.